Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this video we will see that how we can use the routing with the Vue.js. So routing is basically opening a specific component on a specific URL. For example, you just want to open the login component on this login URL. So we can say that we have to just make a routing for this login page. Alright, similar if you just want to open the about space on about, then this is also a routing. So now let's check out the points of this video. So these are the points. First of all, we have to just install the Vue.js routing package, because by default Vue.js do not provide the routing, so that we have to just install it externally. Then we will just make some component and import these component. Then we have to make the routers and register the routers, and that's it. Then we can just test it simply. Alright, so let's start with installing the Vue.js package. So I am just going to open the command line, and in the new terminal let's just write here npm I vue minus router, right? And this package will help us to make the router. So in that time this is installing, I am just going to make the two more components. So just write here home dot view, and here we can just write here a small template, and just write here div and h1 tag. Here just we can write here some text, for example just about component and all. And here let's add some script here, and here we have to provide the component name like home or something, right? With a similar way we can just make one more component, let's say about dot view, right? Let's paste it and just simply replace the home with the about. That's perfect. Our both components are ready and package is also installed. Now let's come back to the main.js file, and here first of all let's import the router package. So just write here import Vue router from Vue router, right? That's great. Now we have to just import the components. So just write here import. I don't know why this is coming. It's autocomplete is horrible sometime, but that's okay. Import home from components, and then home component. All right, and the similar way we can just get the about also, and that's great. Now just bind the route with the view. So just simply write here view dot use, and here we have to just write here Vue router. That's great. And after that we can just define our routers. So just make a const like routes, and here we can define an array with the name of, let's say, path, and in the path we can just define any path. For example, for the home we are just making it blank, and the component can be home, right? And here we have to use the comma, and make one more route here for the about, and here I'm just going to write here about component. So this is also great. Now just register our routes with the router. So again we can just take a const and just write here router, and let's make an instance of the Vue router, and this is basically a function that take the you can say that object, and in the object we can just pass the routes, and it can be a small r, right? And now let's just put this router inside the Vue instance like this, right? And at the last we have to just go on the app.js file, and we can just remove this h1 tag and just simply write here router view, and router view will help us to just show the content here, right? So now here you can see that by default home component is opening, and if I am just going to write here about, then about component is opening here. So this is a simple way that how we can use the routing with the Vue.js. In the upcoming videos we will see that how we can pass the dynamic parameters, how we can just move between one screen to the another screen, and how we can make the 404 page and all. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.